500% brighter, Headlight H11 LED headlights adopted automotive-grade 7035 CSP LED chips, 15,000 LM per set, 500% brighter than your original incandescent headlamps. 6000K cool white restores the feeling of driving in the daylight and allows drivers to react to obstacles earlier to ensure safer night driving. Faster installation, featuring an all-in-one wireless design, Headlight H11 LED bulbs with built-in driver and smaller size to take up less space in the headlight housing. Non-polarity plug saves your installation in 5 minutes. No extra modifications are needed. Real plug and play. 1. Illuminate position. Headlight H9. LED headlights apply the same lighting position design as the stock halogen to ensure an ideal beam pattern and clearer visibility. No dark spots, no blinding or glare to oncoming drivers. A hassle-free upgrade to LED headlights.
Long-lasting lifespan.